So you're going to be able to use this?
Yes,
Wow.
it's gonna be part of the Clay Festival.
When's that then? This weekend?
In no, 30th of September
Okay.
in St. Austell Town Centre.
Okay.
So if you follow the Facebook page, which is either the museum or the Whitegold project,
Oh yeah?
you can get the details and come and join us with using it and enjoy the China clay.
Yeah.
Are you local?
Yeah, I live here. I
Oh,
live here.
great!
I live down the road. I live on the trail.
Brilliant!
Fancy using a paintbrush or something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Would you like to help us to maybe do some? I don't know. I'm planning to do the White River.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
It's white at the moment,
Yeah.
actually, the White River. It's not
Oh,
busy,
really?
is it?
Wow.
Yeah,
What's going on there
I
then?
don't know. It happens every bit of a while, doesn't it?
Hello, sweetie. You lovely.
Would you like to have a go?
Okay.
Yeah. I'll just get a brush here. I'll move over here.
Oh, I got a coffee though.
Have you?
Yeah.
Not go crazy, but yeah, please.
So what were you doing?
I can
well,
help
I
you
kind
for a
of-
minute.